Hi guys, welcome to another lesson. This is Jurassic Park theme. Now this is the official version. It's not easy, but it's not hard. It's an intermediate lesson, so a lot of lows. So if you see a lot of red arrow going down, that means it's low. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. As always, left fingering right there. Okay, so nice horn introduction. So low 2, low 1, now regular 2 on G string, and then A1, A low 1. Okay, again. Then you go to E string, low 1. And then you have to go to third string, third position. Okay, so third position, put on low 1 here. And then put number 2 here for low 2. And then put the number 3 there. So let me play that again. Two, 3, 4, and then low 2 on the D string, and then A3 to low 4, press the low ones between the A1 and the D1. Okay. Also bridge the 3 between the D3 and the G3. So you bridge the low 1 on these two strings, and then you bridge the 3 on these two strings. Now here comes the main theme. Make sure you play as if you saw the big dinosaur for the first time. Praise the 2s. Okay. Next, we're gonna move the octave higher. So low 1 to 0 to low 1. Everything's low except the 3. And then low 4 on the E string to 3. Make sure low 4 on the A string is already ready. Low 1 bridged. And then A3, E3 low. And back to regular 3. And then it's low 2 to low 1. Actually, low 2 to regular 1, I'm sorry. Next page. Then these two together. Low 4 and then regular 3. And then these two together. And then these two together. 2, 3, 4. And then here comes a really nice part. One more time. Okay, everything is on the tape there. Okay, so make sure low 1 to low 2 on the D string. Moving on to octave higher. Again, when you put down the A3, make sure E3 is also bridged. leave the 3 there, and then low 4, and then low 1 to low 4, return of the main theme, a little variation, and then return of the really big main theme, low 3, I'm bridging it as I'm bridging it when you put down the low 4. I'm also bridging it with the A low 4. Okay. That was the 4th line, the final line I mean. Okay, so let me play the final line one more time. And then we're gonna have a bunch of arpeggios. Then big final finish. Let's give it a little rallentando. That means slow down. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and fade and finish. Okay, so that was Jurassic Park. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So, goal of my channel really is to teach you stuff, but it's really impossible. It gets really long if I go over every single note with you. So I found it better if I just write everything out, going over which one's low, which one's regular. So I just wrote it out as best as I could, give you the complete information within a sheet, and just give you guidance over within the video. So that's my motto. I hope that's being helpful. Alright, so I don't know what I'm gonna do next, maybe Godfather. That's another good one. So until next time, please like, subscribe, and